Today we're going to review the 10 steps that I take to get my clinical judgment to match the patient's values and come up with a care plan. I'm John Shaske, a clinical pharmacist for over 40 years, and currently I am a clinical instructor at the University of British Columbia. I have won several awards for innovation, both provincially and federally, and an Agent of Change Award from the University of British Columbia. Welcome to Series 1, Episode 3, Applying Your Clinical Judgment to the Patient Values and Therapeutic Knowledge to optimize patient outcomes, minimize risks, and at the same time, saving yourself time. So we'll start with number 1. I take the patient's medications and I link them to a diagnosis. Each one must have a diagnosis. I then know all the medications and I take the drug that has the most side effects and drug interactions and bookmark that drug. Then I'll take a look at the options that have been proposed in that care plan. Make sure the drug that's recommended goes through that first test. If it doesn't, it's eliminated immediately. That saves a lot of time rather than going through the whole list each time. 2, I then take each drug and create a goal that's measurable within a certain time frame and make sure that that matches what the patient wants to do. That's essential. If we cannot do that, that drug needs to be eliminated through the discussion of the healthcare team. 3, I review the current evidence on risks and benefits and apply that to the information. 4, I review all the alternatives with the patients, guide them through the process so they make the final decision. 5, I include the reasoning behind what I would like to recommend. If the people don't understand the reasoning, it may not go so well. 6, what's to be expected and when, and I include the safety concerns or risks as well. 7, I explain how to take the medication and what to do if a dose is missed. I make sure that all the instructions are included. I make sure the patient knows what to monitor, what to expect. I also include the side effects, what to expect and how to resolve those side effects, what to do if they don't go away, what over-the-counter medications might interact with these drugs, and to refer them back to me and verify with me to make sure that medication does not interfere with the drugs that are in the plan already. Plan follow-up with the patient, including what needs to be looked at. Absolutely essential. Who's actually going to follow up and make sure that it's convenient for the patient. And 10, I always make sure that the patient has contact information for their healthcare team, so if something comes up or they're unsure, that they have a way of contacting us. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode when we talk about the principles of applying our therapeutic knowledge. That way we can combine that with our clinical judgment and our patient values to optimize health outcomes, minimize health risks, and save the healthcare professional time.